Hello friends, katal job ni notification ate hastene jobs YouTube channel lo narajotono lamsogo fighting kesang tine katal kaisa job ni notification alenai Government of Tripura Office of the Member Secretary National IOS Mission ni bisingtei katal recruitment ni notification okorka 25 September 2023 tarigano fighting ke notification ni full details na sangalenai o post ka contractual basis na tilajaknai working interview ni bisingtei na selection khaijaknai 11 month ni bagai fighting kesang Name of the post is salary tei category wise vacancies busu tong lenai full time faculty BAMS post ni bagai salary ke 35000 total post tinta tongnai tinta ni bisingo ST ni bagai kaisa tongnai UR ni bagai duita tongnai full time faculty BHMS ni bagai 35000 salary total post tinta tongnai ST rong ke ekta UR ni bagai duita tongnai full time faculty M Farm ni bagai 35000 total post tinta ST ni bagai ekta tongnai UR ni bagai duita post tongnai Community Health Officer post ni bagai salary 25000 total post ke 7 tongnai SC ni bagai ekta tongnai ST ni bagai duita te UR candidates ni bagai 4 tongnai post Paring ke sang post wise eligibility criteria qualification alenai full time faculty BAMS post ni bagai qualification ke Ayurvedic medicine and surgery ni bachelor degree khaijar nangnai desirable jak tongo oro Bengali eba kokbrok ni knowledge tona nangnai full time faculty BES post ni bagai qualification ke Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery na bachelor degree khaijanangnai desirable ke Bengali eba kokbrok ni knowledge tona nangnai full time faculty M Farm post ni bagai qualification ke M Farm na bachelor khaijanangnai desirable ke Bengali eba kokbrok ni knowledge tona nangnai Community Health Officer post ni bagai qualification ke Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery na bachelor khaijanangnai eba Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery na bachelor khaijanangnai Tera qualification jak tongo noro kaham khenai nedi noro jara interested candidate tongnai o post ni bagai application submit khaina bagai oro address jak tongo noro physically thangai no application joma marinai oro roll number jak tongo 303 second floor the mission director NHM and member secretary SAMT place compound Agartala West Tripura pin number jak tongo 799001 norok 3 October ni simi 13 October juratai application thangai submit khaimano oro time jak tongo Application form ni logio oro documents ni details jak tongo nor video ni description ni thani notification download khlai kaham khenai nedi tomo documents rana nangnai working interview ni bagai time te beno National IOS Mission ni website jak tongo o website na publish khairi nai ni saja omongkha application form oro chaita post wise chaita application form jak tongo tei noro video ni description ni thani notification download khlai kaham khenai nedi noro o form na Okay friends, nora nugui mankhana National IOS Mission ni bisingtei katal recruitment ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastene jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai support khaidete nora katal job ni notification nugui mannai